Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to 214th Networking B2B of Turnkey. My name is Rashid Kushkaya. I am the founder of Turnkey. As most of you know, we have online weekly B2Bs consisting 3 sessions. In the first session, we have a round table. Everybody take turns 2-3 minutes to introduce himself or herself and make a specific request. I want to reach that person, or I want to enter this market. Maybe in the group, somebody can help you. In the second session, we have a speaker. We have a webinar. Today, our speaker is Mr. Selçuk Engin. He is the founder and CEO of modern web design services, Engin Design. He's going to tell us about how to attract business through SEO adjusted websites and how to make effective AdWords to create business. Is focused in B2B industry and corporate websites. He has massive experience. He's a programmer, software owner of software company. He will tell us about more details. In the last 10 minutes, we have a Q&A session and closing remarks. I would like to take first floor. We have more participants coming in. We have started the journey in 2020 with a few people. Now we have reached nearly 100 members from 40 countries. Exclusive member means we have an algorithm. Exclusive member pays the annual fee, which is $500. A plane ticket cost. That person reserve his or her seat, industrial seat, or reserve business development seat for the city they are living. Our network is more than 100. Maybe we are covering 2,000-3,000 business developers and industries. But at the moment, we have 100 exclusive members who are active, attending meetings regularly. This is still a big power. If you understand the power of networking, Mr. Walid would confirm me. Every business person, small and medium size, SME boss, let's say, has nearly 3,000 contacts. So when you put together 100 super connectors, that makes 300,000 size, 300K network. So it is a quite big synergy. You can even reach President Trump through this kind of network. So once we have 1,000 people, then it will be 10 times bigger, like 3 million. And it is like an atomic bomb. So you can use this synergy to reach any person or to enter any kind of market. So please keep supporting Turnkey. It is a non-profit organization. We take this small amount just to keep it going. I need everyone's support to end this year at least 120 exclusive members and 15 million turnover. Our turnover is at the moment 13 million. Last week's success story, I heard from Mr. Suhail. His wife is Miss Saba, making digital content. I also mentioned Mr. Selçuk. Now we are living at the age of social media. It's so popular. And we have to create digital content, good quality digital content to attract attention. So this is what they do. They sign a contract with Atat Logistic. They are creating monthly digital content, short videos, short movies actually, telling about what they do best, what discriminates them from other suppliers. So they have signed a contract which is about $6,000. That was a good start. This was the last week's story, success story. I would like to give the second floor to our senior member, Mr. Mehmet Gökdemir. Mehmet abi, go ahead.
Hello everybody. My name is Mehmet Gökdemir. I am a consultant. I worked many years in textile industry. I had experience in recycle industry, and also I am now representing some international funds for feasible projects. So should you have any query, any request regarding textiles or recycle industry, or even some feasible projects, provided that the project is feasible and the right investor, you can always get in touch with me. It will be my pleasure. Thank you for all of you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Mr. Mehmet, how was your meeting with Miss Merve? You can fund any halal project, as far as I understand. This is Islamic funds from Gulf. If the project is not about alcohol or any harmful industry to human health, you can do the funding if it is, but as long as the financial documents are supported.
Exactly.
So Miss Merve can discipline the supplier to provide these financial documents. The business plan is important. If it is a feasible project and according to the criteria, Islamic criteria, Islamic funding, you can provide finance. We call it project facilitation. So all our business developers need to meet you with EPC contractors, engineering, procurement, construction, and you can do the F part.
Exactly.
So the super connectors can find the investor. We are not interested in government level projects over $100 million, but we are into B2B projects, private sector projects, which has a business plan and feasible. So Ms. Merve can help with the documentation. We can find the right contractor from Turkey. And then there's a funding from Gulf. This is a magic triangle. Please work on it. Thank you, Mr. Mehmet.
Thank you very much.
We have a friend from Global Chamber, Scotland, Mr. Andrew. Go ahead, please.
Hi there. Yeah, no, thank you. First time on the call here. Thanks, Rasi, for inviting us along. We're a consultancy involved in 4 areas. The logo behind there. We have a network here in Scotland, but also extending into the UK of C-suite members. So people who are very experienced at all levels, across all sectors, from high-end fashion right through to fintech, quantum, and I myself, my background's construction, 35 years in building products and sourcing building products and product development. That C-suite also does business consultancy work, anything from digital transformation right through. And then we also, one of the areas is global expansion or market expansion. So we're helping businesses either come into the UK or perhaps into markets like India and the Middle East, where I've had quite a lot of experience. And also we also help businesses with funding and investment. So just hearing there, we connect businesses to funding sources, be it angel investment right up to high end of £30 million. So these are the 4 areas. So this network's very interesting to me, and thanks for inviting us along.
Andrew, thank you. I didn't know that you do also project funding and business funding. I recommend to make one-on-one with Mr. Mehmet Gökdemir. He played once in Manchester, Manchester United. Am I right, Mr. Mehmet?
Oh.
Muted.
Can't hear you there, Mehmet.
our team in Manchester University, but only 5-a-side, we were the champions of the university.
You're probably playing better than Manchester United at the moment, because I'm a frustrated Man United supporter. So, you know,
Are you originally from Scotland?
I'm originally from Scotland, but lived in London for 10 years and worked, have run businesses who have had businesses in the Middle East and India. So I enjoy global travel. I've had to slow down my accent, so hopefully you can understand me. But that's fine. But yes, born and bred in Scotland. As the name would suggest, if you know William Wallace.
Andrew, I have a question. Are you related with William Wallace, starring at Braveheart?
Yeah, don't laugh, but the family tree has been done. He didn't have any children, but I'm related to his brother or whatever it is. So yes, it does go back. But yeah.
When played in Turkey, it was a big hit. It was most watched movie for a long time, still touching our hearts.
Yeah, I think I'm not sure if it was completely technically correct, but it was a very good movie, And
Yeah. Mel Gibson still alive, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Nice to meet everyone.
He's Scottish originally, Mel Gibson.
No, he's Australian.
Australian.
He had a better Scottish accent than I do, put it that way.
So is the Russell Crowe.
Russell Crowe, very good. Yeah, he's another Australian actor.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you, Andrew.
Nice to meet everyone.
To our WhatsApp group. Feel free to share this invite with Gregor. We need a regular participation from UK. Our UK seat is empty. You can help around 50, 60 Turkish big brands to enter UK market. You can all benefit from this trade. Also, we have service supplies like Mr. Reza. You can send him patient for aesthetics, health tourism. You will get benefit from each referral. Mr. Reza, please speak up. Mention your checkup packages, etc.
Thank you, Mr. Rashid. I am Rıza Durdu, co-founder of Istanbul MedAssist. Istanbul MedAssist is an international medical tourism company. We are located in Istanbul, Turkey, and we are giving VIP full package service to our patients who are interested to coming to Turkey for any aesthetic or medical treatment. And we start mostly from West African countries, but now recently having people from worldwide, and I can say that from UK too, from America, Australia, Canada, Europe. And yes, as you mentioned it before, we have different package of checkup programs, which are mostly people interested to take one-day checkup when they are in Turkey. Sometimes they are being here like for another reason, tourism or for business, and then just for one day we are pick up from their hotel and give whole support for their checkup daily base, sometimes maximum 2 days, mostly 1 day. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mr. Reza. Your patients are mostly from Francophone speaking countries, right?
Before, yes, but now a bit changing, yeah.
Okay. So can you give us an example if for dental, for example, how cheap our dental care
for
comparison
dental,
to America and Europe?
dental, not easy to say that because dental depends many different things. Even in Turkey, between the clinics, even in Istanbul, there are so big price differences because it depends on the clinics, depends on the implant they are using, so many reasons. But mostly I can say that at least 30-40% cheaper than Europe, I guess. Maybe America more. But especially Turkey, I can say that well known for, as you all of you know, is for hair transplant, like brand name. People coming worldwide to Turkey for hair transplant. But don't think that only like few aesthetic operation like hair transplant is like the good in Turkey. Almost Turkey infrastructure, I can say that for private hospitals, clinics, well developed. Always Turkey, I mean, the companies prefer to buy equipment and machinery from Europe, USA, and also the doctors are experienced in, they also educated people. I can say that Turkey is good for the medical tourism issue. Thank you.
So they can come to Istanbul, make 1 week holiday, do the sightseeing, enjoy food, get treatment, and still save money in comparison to Europe and America.
Yes, actually, we are at the same time registered as a travel agency company. So we are also giving such a, like the VIP program for like tourism checkup together. Like if the friends visit our webpage, there are really, I mean, there is explanation for all different packages,
Mhm. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Reza. Mr. Davron, please send another reminder that we have around 20 participation from 10 different countries, and we need more for the informative webinar today. Mr. Arman, Aquamatch Water Treatment, go ahead, please.
Hello, everybody. This is Arman from Aquamatch Company. I hope that everybody is doing well. It's great to see the usual visitors of the platform and the new ones as well. Aquamatch is specialized in water treatment business since over 35 years. And we are producing, designing, producing, and installing water treatment systems and wastewater treatment systems in Turkey and almost all around the world. And within this context, our purpose to join this platform is to find new opportunities for doing business with newer markets or even older markets that we are already in with newer faces. Therefore, anybody who has something solid, concrete for water treatment project are welcome. We may discuss and find a way to collaborate with them.
So, Mr. Arman, can you give us an idea how big are your projects? The budget starting from $100,000 going up to $1 million, or?
We have a very broad perspective. On one side, as you mentioned, we have the market of larger businesses going to 10 million euros, 20 million euros for city desalination projects, providing water for a municipality, for a city, for drinking purposes. On the other side, we have specific small niche projects as well, which are very modest in budget. Let's say a couple of thousands of euros on the other side, depending on the demand of that particular project, that particular market. We are very flexible for supplying our systems.
So every industrial facility needs.
Yes, on the industry side, almost any industry needs treated water for its procedure. Namely, we can say petrochemical, textile, paper mills, metallurgical factories. Yes.
You remember Suhail, petrochemical industry from Iran. Have you made one-on-one with him? They have
No, I couldn't reach him yet. I'm glad. And today I don't see him within the
Yes,
participants of
please.
the exercise.
His number in the group. Mr. Suhail represents a big petrochemical company, a group from WhatsApp. He shared also some plastic bag material today. He need a buyer. They have some raw material at the custom.
I see.
You can reach him, and he is visiting all the petrochemical wholesalers. Also, a husband of Miss Merve in lubricant industry. They already started collaboration. You can also make one-on-one with him.
Very well. Okay, I will try.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you,
Mr.
Mr.
Arman. Aquamech is one of the top in the world, in top 10 water treatment company. They are expert. They did projects in many countries. So anything related with water, wastewater, desalination, or water treatment, they can give you a very handsome referral commission. So keep in mind they are one of the top in the industry. Mr. Arman, if you would like to renew your presentation in the coming weeks, we can give you the slot. Let me know.
I have to check, okay, the schedule, and I will let you know, okay? Very shortly.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Hakan, Mr. Murat Tarhan, ALG Custom Brokerage, Mr. Murat Tarhan.
Thank you, Mr. Rashid. Hello, everyone. I'm Murat Tarhan, the owner of ALG Custom Consultancy. ALG Customs Consultancy provides customs and logistics service to companies located in Turkey and abroad. We also conduct feasibility studies for companies that import and export in Turkey. Thank you very much.
So Mr. Murat Tarhan is expert. He's giving also training about import, export. Export operation is easy as a professional coming from industry. I can say there are all kinds of incentives, etc. But you need to know what is the import procedure on the other hand, on the other side. Maybe they need a technical document, they need a certification. It's more important for importing. For example, you import a machinery from China, it gets stuck at the custom because it doesn't have CE certificate. So before importing anything, it's better to consult experienced custom broker like Mr. Murat to simulate the situation. If we import this material, what will be the consequences, the landed cost? It is very important not to have unwanted custom charges, or the demurrage at the port is very, very expensive. As you know, you can lose money when you are trying to make money. You can lose money. So to avoid these problems, I am doing the presentation, Mr. Murat, for you, Murat Tarhan. So please summarize what are the benefits of your service to the exporters, importers. How important? If you make your intro like this, that will be much better. Erkan from BRN Mattresses. It is the biggest mattress manufacturer from Turkey.
Yes, exactly.
They export to America. Go ahead, Erkan. Thank you.
First of all, I want to say hello to everyone here. As Mr. Rashid explained, we are the biggest exporter in mattresses in Turkey. We have a production capacity of 10,000 mattresses per day, and we're exporting to more than 40 different countries worldwide. What makes us strong is actually the private labeling, which means that we can produce like the wishes of our customers. And we also are the pioneers of the roll pack system, which gives us the option to send much more mattresses than without roll pack, for example. And yes, if here is anyone interested or want to discuss about shipping worldwide, I will share my email address and the website of our company, and want to thank to everyone here.
Yeah, Erkan also
listening.
speaks fluent German. He grew up
Yes, I was born and
in
raised in Germany.
Exactly. Ruby, Emmanuel developed two hotel renovation projects for BRN. I recommend to make one-on-one. If they didn't have signed exclusivity contract with Emmanuel for Ghana, you can apply. They are the biggest in Europe mattress manufacturer. You can also promote their products in USA. You are still in if you are still in USA. So since there is no spring mattress manufacturer in Ghana, they still use a sponge, even five-star hotels. You can replace all these mattresses to increase comfort of the guest. So they already have references in Ghana. Speak up, please, Ruby from Ghana.
I'm sorry, with Mrs. Ruby, we are already in contact, and I will share with her our informations, our products, etc.
Yeah, Erkan, when I was back in furniture industry, Ruby has taken me all these hotels. She
Okay.
has amazing contacts. When I was in Ghana, she received me from the airport. We have visited all these hotel projects, interior designers. She is a seasoned, experienced business developer. So she's a good candidate to be your exclusive agent, brand representative for Ghana. Go ahead, Miss Ruby.
Thank you, Rashid, for the opportunity. Hello to everyone. I am Ruby Golo and your rep for Ghana. I run a consultancy firm called Global Trade Consult, and I double as the executive director for Global Chamber in Ghana as well. I provide market entry support services that can be tailored to suit your specific requirements across all sectors. So I'll be happy to support BRN and any other person interested in exploring my market with their products and services. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. If there's industrial projects that need finance, we also have Mr. Mehmet and Andrew. Speaking of London, Mr. Murat is here, newcomer, integrator company. We met last week. It is a perfect match between integrator and Turnkey. Mr. Murat Tiryaki, please take the floor. Go ahead, please.
Yeah.
I think
Hello, everyone.
Your wife from London is here.
Yes, Khawla,
Khawla
and Korhan is within our team. Korhan
Okay.
and Khawla is living in UK. Feray is living in Turkey, and I am living in both countries, traveling regularly. So let me introduce our company. We are an EPC contractor who build industrial processing projects within the industries. What we do actually, I have a presentation, but I think I will not do right now. So
once you become exclusive member, I will give you a time slot like I gave to Mr. Engin. Today is Mr. Engin's day.
Okay.
So you can make a PowerPoint presentation for 30 minutes in the future.
Okay then. So basically, we do have companies in UK, in Turkey, and UAE, and in UAE and UK, we are providing project management and some other consultancy services. in Turkey, we build and construct industrial processing plants and the related components or equipments which is used in the processing plants, like tanks, pipes, pumps, reactors, cyclones.
Mr. Murat, your industrial facility, you do turnkey services from design to installation.
Yes.
You do all industrial design, engineering, procurement of the material, and setting up installation. Do you do it only for heating, for climatization or energy saving, or, for example, there is a detergent plant or a dairy plant? You can establish a full plant, or it's only related with energy saving projects?
No, we can establish all the plant. We are actually not based in specific sectors. Last project we built is formaldehyde plant for our customer who is producing laminate and selling to around of the world. So they do purchase the processing itself from Italy, and we did build every design of the point of design of the processing plant and install all the tanks, steel structure, pipes, pumps, and design also automation system. And we give our customer as a turnkey project. So whatever the process is, it doesn't matter for us. We combine everything together, and then the customer is only contacting to us for all the projects, components and equipments, and we are providing all the system in the running condition. So we can build a detergent plant as well. We can build.
Yeah, Mr. Mehmet, I recommend to make one-on-one with Mr. Murat Tiryaki, also with Andrew. Andrew lives in UK. Mr. Murat, since after breakfast, UK started also production. Am I right, Mr. Andrew? Production facilities are on the rise.
I would say absolutely, obviously depending on what sector,
Yes.
but certainly energy and things like that, data centers, anything like
Yes,
that.
I had a meeting last week with a big exporter. They told me since Chinese have facing high duties in the USA, they are trying to enter new markets. And on the other hand, they are facing competition from Europe, like UK, Germany. This is interesting because Turkish exporters usually have price advantage over Europe. But since increased labor cost, energy cost, prices are not like the half before. It was maybe one euro in Europe and 0.50 cents in Turkey. It's now 80-90 cents in Turkey and 1 euro in Europe. So the gap is very slim. Also, you have advantage to export some North African countries, EU also. They export North Africa without duties, since we have in some cases 50-60% Turkey facing if there is no free trade agreement. Mr. Mehmet, Mr. Andrew, Mr. Murat, Mr. Murat Tiryaki's company Integrator can build any kind of factory anywhere in the world. So they don't have too much experience abroad, mostly in Turkey, but they want to start. That's why they are here. For example, Ruby finds an investor in Ghana who wants to set up a chicken farm because the chicken meat is more expensive than the beef in Ghana. So he introduced this investor, she introduced this investor to Mr. Murat. Mr. Murat make the budget, and Mr. Mehmet or Andrew provide the finance, and they sign a contract together, joint venture, and everybody is happy. This is how it should work. Okay, Mr. Murat, thank you for joining. I will not give floor to other speakers from your team to save time.
Yes.
All right. Mr. Mücahit Yılmaz, another new face. These are Mr. Selçuk Engin's clients. Mr. Engin developed their website. Mr. Murat Tiryaki, Mücahit, Ms. Zuhal. So they are happy clients. That's why they are here to follow up Mr. Engin's presentation. It means that he is doing good job when it comes to website development. Mr. Mücahit, take the floor, please.
Hello, everyone. This is Mücahit from MIR Chemicals. As MIR, we are the only nail file producer in Turkey. We were established in 23 years ago, and at the beginning we were the first manufacturer of sponge abrasives, and then this is followed by more than 300 types of abrasive and polishing products. And then we converted our path to cosmetics sector and medical sector with our nail files and food files. And we have also alcohol swab manufacturing line and some other wooden tools production lines. And it is nice to be here, and it is nice to meet you. I hope we can also be a partner in this society. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Mücahit is a very good high mechanical engineer, right, Mr. Mücahit?
Yeah, that's correct. I am a mechanical engineer professionally.
Mr. Tiryaki?
I just heard, and I will check. And
Yeah, you are both contact of Mr. Engin. You can collaborate. They do nail care products, but I think Mr. Mücahit is a very good engineer. He worked in Aselsan. So Aselsan is one of the biggest defense contractor in the world. So number one in Turkey. They don't take any engineer, you know, they carefully select the engineers. He worked there for a long time. I am planning to introduce Mr. Mücahit to some defense contractors from Africa, like Nigeria. Our Lebanese friend, Mr. Hani, received a maintenance service of Ministry of Defense of Nigeria, and he needed experienced engineers, CNC suppliers. Mr. Engin gave him another contact, Mr. Hakan. He is a CNC machine and CNC part manufacturer. He needed exactly somebody like him, but he wasn't in the group some months ago, so he missed the opportunity. But maybe you can provide now how you can be a consultant of this company who would like to nationalize their defense industry. This you can consider also, Ruby. Turkey has made a big progress now in the top 7 exporters of defense products. So if you have some good contacts in defense ministry, I will also speak with Emmanuel. Africa Forum is starting tomorrow and continue Friday. I will meet a lot of high-level ambassadors, consulars, delegations, businessmen from Africa. Please follow up. I share the link of this day. I don't know who is attending. I will be there. If anybody is attending, please speak up. Mr. Reza maybe will be there. This is a forum organized every 2 years by DEIC, Foreign Economic Relations Board. They are inviting thousands of African businessmen, including diplomats. And from Turkey side, there are around 2,000 holdings, strongest companies of Turkey. It's a matchmaking business forum. So there are also some panels. Mr. Erdogan, President, Minister, Prime Minister of some African Union President will be there. I think it's a good opportunity for anyone who would like to develop business with Africa. Thank you, Mr. Mujahid. Ms. Zuhal,
Thank you, Mr.
take the
Rashid.
floor, please.
Hi everyone. I am architect and interior architect Suhal Tuzcu Kadakal. I am the founder of Innovark Architecture and Construction Company. We do architectural and interior design services, projecting, and as a supplier, like turnkey service. For architectural project and also interior project, we are working worldwide, like Europe, Africa, and Balkans. And also for like hotel projects, villa projects, we are also, as a supplier, we are giving the all materials and furniture and textile. But for architectural projects, also we have a very powerful background and experience as a government project or private project. We are good on it, and so also we have some partnership with architectural offices in Europe. We do municipal projects and just they approve it. So in this case, we can create the whole project from zero to end. And if you have any question to me, please contact. Thank you.
Yeah, Ms. Suhal is like architectural or construction version of Mr. Murat Tiryaki. So they do also, you can make one-on-one with Mr. Rıza. He comes from also contracting business, his family business. He has done some projects in West Africa. Now he's into healthcare. But Ms. Suhal can do EPC in the construction field. Finance can be provided either by investor or banks or the funds we have here in the group or outside the group. If, for example, a boutique hotel project, hotel renovation or villa compound or palace of some sheikh, Ms. Suhal can provide service from design to installation. So, and you will these projects are starting from $100,000 and going up to $2 million or $30 million in some cases. They are building a dam in Macedonia and they do a villa housing project in Macedonia. So you can, by just one referral, linking the investor and Ms. Suhal, you can earn a lot of money. Ms. Suhal, you already made one-on-one with Mr. Ömer from BRN Sleep in mattress exhibition. Please collaborate with Erkan. Sometimes they get hotel room projects. They can provide mattress, bed base, and sleeping items, but they need more, like full room for the cabinets. For the cabinets, sometimes in some cases even electronics. Minibar, etc. So you can complete the rest or wet floor. We have also Mr. Mehmet Sönmez, the wet floor contractor, as you remember. So we have everything what it takes. We all need to make a connection. Thank you very much.
Today we had our B2B with Ms. Ayşegül with.
Yeah, please mention about their factory. They, as far as I remember, they have metal, they have granite, marble, and woodworking workshop under one roof. It means that they can realize any kind of five-star hotel project, any chain of restaurant, cafe.
Yeah, also, they have some restaurant projects. They had to give this service, but they are not the real service like what we are doing, because they sell the furniture. So in this case, they try to resolve the project. But with us, we are the center of resolving a project. And after that, so we see today with also Miss Ayşegül, we can really create a really powerful partnership together.
Collaboration, yeah. This
Yeah,
is also you should
collaborations,
meet
yeah.
one-on-one with Mr. Walid. Mr.
Okay.
Walid sells real estate, but
Yeah.
some clients they want furnished flats, or they buy 10 flats or the whole building to rent it as an apart. So you can support all the design. If the customer buys the products from Miss Suhal, she can even do the 3D rendering for free. This is very important. It costs around $5,000 up to $10,000. But if the customer buy the material from Miss Suhal, she throw it for free. This is a very good service. 2D design and 3D design for free, as long as they work with Miss Suhal. If they don't work, she just charge for this service discounted amount, and the client can buy it from China, cheaper products. Mr. Walid, take the floor, please. I want everyone support Mr. Walid. He didn't close any deals this month. Anybody looking for investment, real estate investment in Dubai, in UAE, Mr. Walid, our friend, good friend, one of the founding members, ready to help. Mr. Walid, go ahead, please.
Thank you, Rashid, for the introduction. Good evening, everybody. My name is Walid bin Jaman. I represent the US brand Coldwell Banker, and we are a franchisee here in Dubai. We have 5 branches with more than 200 agents working in different sectors of real estate, commercial, and as well residential for ready and off plan projects. If we ask ourselves why people come from different countries in the world, including Europe, Far East, Asia, Africa, and invest in property in Dubai, what is the reason? There are lots of main and major cities in the world that they can invest, but what makes them come and invest in real estate in Dubai?
Is it a question or you will reply yourself?
No, it is a question.
Okay, I will reply quickly. For return of investment is short. USD income in many countries, return of real estate investment more than 10 years. In Dubai is 7 years. If you buy off plan, you can even double your capital. In the project phase, if you buy, say, $500,000 luxury flat, you can sell it $1 million once it is finished. And it's a safe country, and the summer is very hot. It's not the perfect climate for me in summer, but other 3 seasons are perfectly mild. Is it an answer to your question, Walid?
This is one part. Maybe I can listen some answers
Yeah,
from.
there are also tax advantages. Yes.
Okay. Maybe I can hear some answer from European guys, or maybe from guys in Africa. What makes
Walid, let's not turn it into a panel. The other reasons are it is an expat community. The foreigners can leave. English is a common language, and you can complete the other aspects, and we can move on because we have to start the webinar.
Yes. So you asked all. I think you replied mostly the answer I need. Thank you so much, Rashid.
You're welcome. Have I missed anything? If anybody buy a property, there's a residency. Is it time limited or it is forever?
There are lots of freehold properties you can buy forever. Yes, and it can be owned by any nationality. There is no restriction.
So the residency is limited with 10 years or more?
No. You can buy a residency and forever. There is a freehold ownership.
But there is no citizenship through real
No.
estate property.
No.
In Turkey, this is available also for $400,000. And the tax applied to if you buy 550,000, which is minimum amount for residency. Do you have a name tag for it, like golden visa?
Yes, this is one of the incentives that if you have a property worth 2 million dirhams and above, yes, you can get a 10-year golden visa in UAE.
Oh, so what is the tax amount? Like if you buy $550,000 amount of property,
Zero tax on property
no
ownership.
tax. Okay,
Yes.
in many countries there are 20% and up property taxes. So this is another advantage. Thank you, Walid. Brandon from Kenya. Brandon, are you here? Brandon, Kenya.
Hello everyone.
Yes.
I'm Brandon Matuki. I'm from Kenya, and I'm the global advisor for Mombasa chapter for Global Chamber. I recently joined this group. Thank you, Rashid, for your help, and I'm still getting situated.
Yeah, Brandon, you can be our agent, our representative, like Ruby in Ghana for Kenya. I have a lot of friends from Kenya. I've been to Nairobi a few times. There are so many business opportunities. Even my close friend, honorary consular of Kenya to Istanbul, Mr. Abdullah Yeşil, is a very close friend of your President Ruto. So we should be doing much more business, develop the trade and tourism between Kenya and Turkey. Please don't miss any meeting and try to focus the business development of our suppliers. Okay, Mohammed, take the floor, please. Mohammed Sharif.
Hello, can you hear me? Bir dakika. Can you hear
Yes,
me?
we can. Yes.
Yes. Hello,
Please,
everyone. Again.
please,
Sorry, I was in meetings.
when you enter the meeting, write your complete name, MSO. We don't understand
Okay.
MSO.
My name is Mohammed Sharif Ökmen because I was in a different computer. I am in the meeting at the moment. I didn't want to lose the meeting. Thank you for Mr. President again to open this meeting. We are in. Actually, everyone knows me as a coffee guy of the group. Normally, I am doing the coffee business, but from the February, we just start for the defense sector. We are one of the supplier of Africa and Latin American countries. We are selling made in Turkey defense product to the Africa and Latin America. We are being a bridge between this companies and the buyers. Actually, we have a good network in Africa, governmental level. So we are trying to do our best for our Turkish ecosystem of defense and also food, because defense is also contains food. So army people eating a lot of food products, ready to eat fruit foods, rice and different products. We are also supplying for the governmental level in the Africa and Latin America, especially for Cuba country. We are the one of the first authorized supplier of Cuba country, government supplier. So if you have any idea, any products to sell to Cuba, also we can talk about it together. They have a
Yeah,
lot of
Sharif, when you say defense, you can do. Brandon, are you here? You can Kenya is one of the biggest tea exporters and fresh cut flour exporter. You can also develop business with Kenya. Also, you buy your coffee still from Indonesia, or you started Ethiopia as well?
Now we are buying from local importers. I don't import myself the coffee. So we just change the system because I have a worker now who is taking care about the coffee business. I'm now special looking for the defense area.
Yeah, defense, not the weapons, but equipment, I think, right? Uniforms.
Textile, food, equipment, accessories. Also, our partner company has license to sell the guns, weapons, ammunitions, everything, armored vehicles, drones. So, if any needs, we can give them the price, and we we are competing the market.
Okay, it's the weapons strict, and it should be usually defense minister deal with directly with suppliers like
No,
Aselsan.
we have license, no problem. With
No, I
Mekai,
mean
even
they prefer to
Aselsan,
buy.
Mekai, we can work with them.
Yeah, they prefer to buy direct, like from Baykar. They don't want any middleman. But equipment, safety equipment for police, and I think it's a good start. Shoes, uniforms.
So we
Uh,
are producing Robocop beers, one of the
yeah, yeah.
most important one, and also
Also for
cases.
private sector, there is a security business. You know, there's security companies. In Africa, there are so much security companies. Like in Nigeria, private security is important business. I used to have some contacts. Remind me, please.
Okay, okay.
Maybe you can. You remember Albert Kalle? I mentioned he was working for police equipment company. He lives in Norway. He has massive contacts
Yes,
throughout.
yes, yes.
Yeah, I think you should do one-on-one with him, or you can hire him as a consultant because he knows most of the buyers in private sector. So you can develop quick business. Thank you very much. So anybody needs coffee, tea, Mr. Mohammed Sherif is there. Can you shortly mention the foundation on the name of your grandfather? We also donated, Turnkey is a donator of this foundation doing charity works in Africa.
Yes, thank you for Turnkey. We made a good meal for the orphanage in Africa, in Chad, and also we did Kurbani projects. We are opening water wells at the moment, and soon we will start to the Gaza project with the hot meals, and food packs, and for the emergency products, emergency like pillow,
Emergency aid.
emergency aid. Yes.
Yes.
So soon we are opening our
Mohammed,
Gaza chapter.
please mention,
I will
Sherif,
send to
please
the group
mention.
every details.
Yes,
Whenever we do something, I will send to the group, and we are waiting for your help because we are
yes,
not just making the business, we are also helping people in need there, and we are trying to develop the countries, not just selling something to them.
yes.
Thank
We
you
are
very much
also
again.
we are also donator of All Africa's Friends Association in collaboration with TİKA. Hakan Fidan used to be president of TİKA. Turkish Investment and Collaboration Agency. They do humanitarian and development projects like occupational courses, train youngsters in Africa. They support mostly Muslim communities because the Christian developed countries, they're already supporting a lot Christian communities. We don't discriminate people, but Muslim communities are poorer in Africa. So we support, we organize some help in Ramadan, in animal sacrifice. It's cheaper also, $100 in Africa to sacrifice an animal. It's more expensive in other developed countries. So these people cannot reach meat and protein, very poor neighborhoods. So this is part of our social responsibility projects. We are working like more modern Robin Hood, earning money from the rich and supporting poor communities. There's a few people didn't speak, like San Lucien from Cameroon. Ruby, is she your contact? You invited her? Or Sharon, maybe?
It's representing.
Hello,
Is it your contact or Sharon's contact?
it's Sharon's contact. I'm representing Sharon.
Okay, Lucien, go ahead. Sharon and Ruby are good friends also. So we need a regular participation from Cameroon as well. Please don't miss future events. Maybe she took a break because of my WhatsApp blockage and I changed the number. Now she's back. Go ahead, Lucien, how you can help Turkish exporters to enter Cameroon market?
Okay, thank you. I'm Lucien and I'm representing Sharon. We are Afrique Monitor, which is a market research company which does research and investigations about markets, and we are open to collaboration and helping investors who want to invest in African countries. We are present in 35 African countries right now, and we we dig, we find research, we find if you want to invest in something, we find background information about the market or the industry, and we also explore markets for investors. Thank you. Any questions, I'll be pleased to answer.
Thank you. Thank you. Say our regards to Sharon, please. We need your regular participation from Cameroon. Davron, I think it's time for family photo. After counting down from 5 to 1, make everyone smile. And please, those who didn't turn camera, please turn on your cameras. Walid, Brandon, Korhan, Feray. It's family photo time, Mr. Walid. And give us big smile. We are going to select best smiler of the week.
Mr. Walid. Let me start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time, please.
Mr. Walid. I think Mr. Walid is.
That doesn't show me.
Brain.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
I think best smiler of the week, Oscar, goes to Erkan from BRN.
Thank you.
I saw most of his teeth. Davron, tell us how you can help Turkish companies to enter Uzbek market, and you can also get support from Davron. He started working in cosmetics, outsourcing from Korea. Any business from Korea, and also his Secretary General of Turnkey. He's gonna take more pictures and turn into a video. Mr. Walid just arrived. You catch this smile or he was absent?
No, I couldn't.
Okay, next time, let's not lose time. Now we are ready for presentation of Mr. Selçuk. Mr. Selçuk, first introduce yourself and then share screen your presentation. And then we keep the questions to the end. If you have questions after the presentation, please don't interrupt, raise your hand and he will answer your questions. Go ahead, please.
Hi, everyone. I'm happy to see you here today. My name is Selçuk Engin. I'm the founder of Engin Tasarım, Engin Design Company. I've been working in web development and digital marketing for over more than 20 years. Over those years, I've been seeing one thing again and again, especially in small and mid-sized businesses. People spend a lot of energy and time and money on developing a website or opening a social media account, but they don't really know how to make it sell. And I get it. Most entrepreneurs are focused on their core business, not on chasing algorithms and marketing trends. Now, in this presentation, I will focus on how to promote business, how to promote websites, and some digital marketing tactics that sell. I will share all of the content with you for reaching your customers and showing your brand and promoting your business more than mainstream known tactics. I will share you some special tactics over web design and web marketing. So do you see my screen presentation? I
Yes,
hope
we do. Yes.
you see my presentation. Now,
We see it, Mr. Selçuk. Go ahead.
okay. Yes, most SMEs, small and medium enterprises think digital marketing is expensive, but it's not always about the budget. It's about strategy, right? 85% of small and medium enterprises never check competitors' ads. Because of that, they miss the simplest way to grow. You know, you can check your competitors' ads and their budget spent and their engaged ads from Facebook ads. It's literally free and open to everyone. You can literally go to Facebook ads library right now and see who's advertising in your sector, what kind of visuals they are using, what messages they are testing, and it's like walking into their marketing room and taking notes. It's legally and it's free. And a website, it's not just a website, you know. Now let's talk about the other half of the game. You know, your website is your sales engine, not just a brochure. It should be mobile fast loading, clear CTA, call to action structures, trust signals such as certificates, logos, and reviews, maybe case studies or etc. We see that well-structured landing pages takes much more convergence from traffic. So a modern website is not a decoration. I'll be honest, most websites today are like brochures from 2000s, right? They are slow, unclear, full of distractions. They don't convert visitors into anything meaningful. In this slide, you see the converting website homepages and not converting a brochure style websites on the right side. So modern website, it's not a decoration, it's a sales machine. It should open fast. It should be clear on mobile. Tell people what you offer in seconds. It's beneficial when you push them forward to an action, a WhatsApp message, a price code, a submission, or contact form messages. It's something real. A modern website that converts above default clarity. When you open the page, you will see what they offer and what is the action they're targeting. You know, minimum distractions, maximum action, SEO structure, speed optimization, integrated analytics for conversion tracking. So you can put Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Facebook Pixel conversion tags into your website to track the conversions. Let's see. Also, you can put some dashboards for your admin dashboard, so you can track the conversions and the pages which are converting keywords, contents, converting audiences, converting local targets. You can see from your websites also, from Google Analytics, from Google Looker Studio, and there are many statistic tools. And also, I will share some free tools at the end of this presentation. I will share some free tools to track the keywords and audiences and your competitors also. So, yes, spying on the market. One of my favorite things to do simple is I spy on the market, right? It's legally and it's nice and it's free. I check Facebook ads library and who is active, who is not. And I use Google Keywords Planner, Uber Suggest tool that I will share at the end of the presentation. What people are actually searching for and which websites are visited mostly, and how does the visitors behavior, the customer behavior is very important in marketing. So I spy on them, just see what people are doing, what our competitors are doing by checking their web speed insights from Google tool. I spot their weakness points and I make my website better and competitive. So our goal is turning visitors into customers. So you can see a funnel here. You just target your custom audiences, just like site visitors, WhatsApp icon clickers, your CRM data, your competitors' visitors. Also, you can target your competitors' websites visitors also. It's free and it's legal. Nothing important, nothing difficult here. So if somebody search with some specific keywords, you can target this kind of audience. You can make a custom audience and target them. So you can make a funnel right here. And honestly, it's not very hard to find those keywords and creating audiences. Small businesses can outsmart big ones. You don't need a huge budget. It's just a sharper strategy. That's all you need. So let's continue. And turning visitors into customers, the main important point is landing page. Which page does they open? Here's what it gets fun. Someone clicks on your ad and finds you on Google. Then they visit your website. 90% of your visitors leave in a very short time. I'll be honest. Most businesses lose them forever. They lose, they gone, and they don't ever come back again. But what if instead of losing them, you bring them back with just creating custom audiences that visited your web page, clicked on an app, or visited the pricing page or contact page. Then we retarget them and offer them better deals. It's just a better system. One clear goal per page, and it's speed, trust, and drive results. So here's for a simple stack that works. I will share with you. It's not a rocket science. You don't need a giant marketing team for doing that. Just a simple, clear structure. Know your competitors, have a website that actually sells, retarget smart, and measure everything. That's it. When you do these 4 things constantly, marketing becomes predictable, not chaos. And what we do at Engin Tasarım, my company, this is exactly what we do every day. We modernize websites, set up funnels, manage ads on Google, Meta ads, LinkedIn, TikTok. We focus on what matters, what really matters most, and we get real leads, real sales. Most of our clients are small and medium businesses in Turkey, but we have here from United States, Canada, Netherlands, and UK. And lastly, these are the useful tools I will share with you. Keyword ads, Google Ads Keyword Planner tool. You can track every kind of keywords. What are the most competitive keywords, their search volumes, and their cost per click measures. You can see every keywords in every country, and also Google will suggest you more about the keywords. And the other one is Uber Suggest. Maybe some of you familiar with Neil Patel. I'm following him also. He is giant. He's very clever in digital marketing. His tool is Uber Suggest. I use keyword for keyword tracking in maybe specific locations and also website performance analysis. Uber Suggest is better and also provides free services, free tools that you can track your website's performance and keywords. I suggest you visit Uber Suggest, and also you should also visit creator search insights in TikTok. You know, TikTok shares very special and very good tool, and what people are visiting, what are they searching for, what are they watching on social media, and which topics and which keywords are trending. They are sharing with everybody. You should also try visiting creator search insights. When you enter on TikTok and search creator search insights, it will be listed on the top, and when you enter, you will see the topics which are trending in your region. So you can, I want to answer all of your questions, and if you take just one thing from this session, let be this: don't treat your website like a brochure. It is not. Clearly, it is not. And don't ignore what your competitors are doing. So you don't need to spend out more. You just need a sharper strategy. I can answer your questions or some practical answers, not theory, no fluff. I will just answer every question if you have one. So if you prefer one-on-one conversation.
Okay, can you please stop share screen, Mr. Selçuk?
Okay.
Those who have questions, please raise your hands. Thank you for informative webinar. Rather than digital brochure, as you mentioned, let's that nobody visit again. It's the first image of a company. Sometimes it's a big company, big corporation. They have hundreds of staff working. When you enter their website, it looks like it's from the 90s.
Yes.
And it's not dynamic, it's not attractive. You cannot reach a real person. They don't even have WhatsApp communication, you know. And as you mentioned, landing page is very important to keep track of your visitors. Let's turn it into a customer creating, client creating tool. So my question, you can help from all the way. There are, when we say digital marketing, there are some aspects, like it starts, I think, with web design. It should be SEO suitable, SEO aligned. Can you please open this more? And secondly, what are the ways to have promoted traffic? You can buy followers or traffic from search engines through AdWords, campaigns, Yandex, etc., from search engines, AdWords. But what are the organic ways? Who doesn't have this kind of budget? Like I know furniture companies, they spend $10,000 on AdWords because rather than the classical ways, this has become the main order creating tool for them. Like I know some furniture wholesalers in Moscow, for example, they pay a lot of money to the rent. Some of them as high as $50,000. It's like Qatar or Dubai. But from the street, only one qualified buyer comes in every day. But instead of spending this money, $50,000, you can rent a warehouse, $10,000 rent house, and if you spend $10,000 on AdWords, you will have much more impact. This is the magic, much more return. Secondly, for those small and medium-sized enterprise doesn't have this kind of budget, there are ways to create, maybe this will be a topic of another webinar, how to increase the traffic organically. There are ways like blogging, social media, etc. There are also other tricks, and the companies who knows digital marketing, they know also organic ways. They discovered also by the time you spend money, your website is SEO applicable, SEO aligned. You know the algorithm of the Google. Can you develop a website that will pop up in the first page in engine search engines that is suitable with Google algorithm, right? This is very important. So you know the tricks how to make the page when they enter the keywords. For example, Turkish furniture, and in the first page mostly sponsored brands, but in the second page is the organic brands, and the real buyers, they don't pay attention to sponsored result because these are maybe wholesalers, maybe marketing companies, or B2B websites or marketplaces that takes most of the traffic. But if you want to reach the manufacturer, so you should check the second page and the third page. It's very important to be on the second page. And Mr. Selçuk knows the tricks. This was the second question. I'm not finished. So how to increase the visibility and to get more traffic, spending less budget? Maybe please work on this webinar. This is very key. Thirdly, it is very important to create digital content, interesting videos, like some African man. He makes some funny videos and he become one of the most earning YouTuber, right? The African man. I don't remember his name. He doesn't even speak. He just make funny faces and use a sense of humor. And I recently discovered Ruhi Çenet, for example. He's #1 YouTuber from Turkey. He earns nearly $100,000 per month from YouTube. and making more turnover than many companies, I think. Just making interesting YouTube videos, shooting drone and drone shooting and video editing and many available in many languages. What are the organic ways to increase traffic? And my final question, for an SME like Istanbul Medassist, they need a full service, let's say 360, web design, AdWords, social media, digital content creation. Do you provide 360? They need a wholesome approach, because the agencies in the market, they do either one of them, either website or social media or digital content, and the result is rubbish. It's not in collaboration, and they all blame each other. And it's better to have one agent, strong agent, doing all these services. Can you provide this kind of service with reasonable prices to an SME under one roof?
Thank you. I understand your questions. Let's start from the last question. Yes, we provide both services, content creation, ads management, etc. 360 services agency. So you mentioned about organic traffic and gaining more traffic with low cost without spending high budgets on Google Ads. But let me tell you something very honestly. Organic traffic and paid ads traffics are correlated with each other. When you spend much higher on Google, if the visitor's engagement rate is good, I mean, when somebody enters the website and browses a few pages and stays over 1 minute in the page, it's an engaged session. Engaged sessions and also click-through rates are very important. 10 people sees your ad. If 5 of them clicks your ad or clicks your website on the listing page, on the first page, it increases your CTR, click-through rate. So two main important facts is, one of them is visitors engagement rate, the other one is click-through rate. So if you have high click-through rate on first result page or the ads section, you are spending lower in Google ad spend, and also you become at higher.
So can we say the better is, the more effective is your website, the higher possibility you come up on the first page?
Yes, the content is king. If you keep your visitors on the page by showing them related content, not fluff, not rubbish content, if you provide them good videos, provide them prices, provide them certificates, provide them user case studies, testimonials, logos, references, everything, you keep them on the website. If you keep your visitors on the website, they will come your website again. So returning visitors rate will be higher. If the returning visitors rate is higher, you become more popular in Google ranking. So your first question is, how should a website be SEO aligned or SEO optimized? SEO depends on many things, many parameters, more than maybe hundreds of parameters, but the most important ones are user engagement, CTR rate, and content quality, and landing page performance. If the page is opening very fast, Google loves it.
Mr. Selçuk, I have an idea to create business for you. Please throw a free checkup service. Based on this criteria, you can from 1 to 10, let's say, you can score. For example, Istanbul Medasis website. You can have criteria. What is missing? If you do this free checkup, you will get a lot of business from Turnkey.
Yeah, sure. I can provide free audience services for this Turnkey members. I will check their sites and clear goals and clear analyze, not fluff, not rubbish informations. I will check each website and provide them healthy results with it. I'll be honored to check everyone's website, and this is my job, and I like doing that. So your second question is increasing the traffic organically. So you have to just enhance the quality of your website to increase the traffic. But most of the people think that every traffic is beneficial, every traffic is good for their business, but it is not. If you spend $10,000 in Google Ads, many people come and you gain with customers, but not every visitor is beneficial for your service. It's not beneficial when they bounce rate, when they close the site in a few seconds, or when they do nothing, just visit. It is not beneficial. It will just pull the website down and down.
Mr.
You
Selçuk,
don't realize it.
your visitors should be aligned with your targeted market, right?
Yes, sure.
B2B, B2C. If you are visited by end users, and if you are in B2B, it's no use. It's waste of money, right?
Yes, waste of money. Many people just look and go, and this will decline your performance. You should focus on the audience, the first-hand audience, custom audiences, your CRM data, your visitors, your WhatsApp message starters are very exclusive audience, and these are very important. If you provide them for Google, for Meta, you get higher quality traffic to your website. If don't, many people, students, older people, by click mistakenly, they just decline your website on Google SEO and they spend all your ads budget. If you don't realize who they click, you just ignore the high expenses. So many people from tech companies just investigating their customers, competitors, also clicking on your ads. And if you don't exclude them, your budget is...
Mr. Selçuk, I heard that competitors using bots to eat up their competitors' ads by clicking automatically. Is that true?
Yeah, I heard that, but Google just pay you back. Invalid clicks, it's a fact. I mean, you know that.
They can discriminate?
Yes, they can discriminate and they pay you that invalid click budgets, and they determine the invalid clicks. So also you can see the invalid click rate on your ads performance reports. If you see that invalid clicks are higher, you just do something, just changing the audience, changing the keywords and other things. Also, I will tell you something very important about your question, Mr. Rashid, to say that someone searches on Google and clicks on the organic results, right? But not everybody clicks on the organic results. We measure them. Our customer is number one on the Google organic search results, and he was also number one on the Google Ads. Google Ads click rate is about 20%, but Google organic click rate is below 5%. So Google Ads click rate
Can you analyze from which part the buying is coming?
Both, but if you target your audience clearly and you are in a very good ad structure, if you measure the results, you get customers from both organic and from Google Ads or paid results. I use social media ads for retargeting, remarketing, so brand awareness. But
There's
I
also a backlink option, right?
yes, backlinks and video and visual ads. I spend money on YouTube or Instagram Reels for retargeting the audience. But my main customer attraction funnel is Google Ads and organic ads. And it's not very easy to get higher results on SEO because Google keeps it very slow.
Mr. Selçuk, I think Mr. Reza is about to leave. He had a question. He raised hand. He is spending a lot of money on health tourism, AdWords. They have a very handsome website. Mr. Reza, go ahead, please.
You are asking everything. No need to another person to speak. Yeah, thank you, Selçuk. Just simple question. You know, from the beginning, when people decide to, you know, have their own web page, mostly they prefer to make an easiest way, like
WordPress.
How to say WordPress and or similar ready template. What do you think? You know, the having this or alternatively HLTM? How do you call it? Like the alternative, making your own
HTML.
yes. Let's say the creating your own codes. So, is there any like the security side or the SEO, let's say, search engine size? Is there any like the difference to do these two options? Is there any like positive or negative Google sites, Google Ads sites?
Yes, I understand your question. Thank you. It's a very important question. Actually, it is not very important which software architecture does your website have. If you build a website on your own with HTML codes, or if you selected a WordPress theme, or if you have custom-made a PHP content management system, advanced systems, it is not important as well as content. You know, the Google doesn't look at the backend structure, but if the coding structure has the high quality, it doesn't matter. But if an amateur people, junior developer build the website, I think it is not healthy for Google and it is not semantic coded and well structured. So Google doesn't like those kind of websites. And also WordPress sites in which the word has 70% WordPress usage, they have security vulnerables. They have security leaks on the system. They have to be updated frequently. That you have to check the add-ons frequently if the newer versions are updated or not. If not, your websites can be hacked. And also, if it is being hacked, your Google performance will be affected from this hacker activity on your website. WordPress websites has this kind of vulnerability issues. And the other part is opening page speed. If the speed is okay, also WordPress has caching technologies optimizations. If you use them, if the page is opening in less than a second or 1 or 2 seconds, it's okay. But if you just pull any add-ons, any extensions on your website, you make it full and backup cannot handle the traffic, cannot you have the server results is not very good in those kinds of WordPress websites. I hope it helps this answer.
Thank you very much. Clear, yes,
Thank you.
it's clear.
Questions, raise hand. Ms. Suhal, if you are talking, we don't hear you. Are you on the phone? Okay. Mr. Selçuk, you are very fluent in English. Explaining these complex issues in English is not easy.
Thank you.
Let's have some comments from your clients, like Mr. Murat. Mr. Engin, develop your website. Are you satisfied your traffic, and how did you get reactions?
We are fully satisfied because they are not also providing a website for us. They are also providing a software development which we built conceptually within ourselves, and they develop for ourselves as well. So they are good in their business. I can refer everyone.
Thank you.
So
Okay, Ms. Suhal, also, if you are available, we would like to get your opinion on the Engin Tasarım. Ruby, do you have question, Ruby? Mr. Mehmet?
I'd like to know how we can engage with him to have a look at our website.
Also, I have a good idea. You can organize him a webinar on Global Chamber.
Absolutely. I'll look at that. Yes, that'll be very good.
He's amazing. He has massive experience. And Africans way behind also. Turkish manufacturers, they know importance of website, but they are a little bit behind. They don't follow up cutting edge latest developments. So every manufacturer should be aligned with search engines. You know, the website, social media, it's all about digital appearance, but appearance to right segment. If you don't have an end product, what is the point of doing marketing to B2G? For example, integrator, Mr. Murat, definitely need factories, not AliExpress buyers, you know. And my question, Ms. Suhal, are you available to talk about Mr. Engin website skills?
No, I am available. I'm sorry for a few minutes ago.
He modernized your website. How was the reaction before and after?
Yeah, it's impressive. It was a really, really nice project by them. Thank you, Mr. Selçuk and their team. Because I am very satisfied, and we are the company for, to show our design and design taste with our website too. It's not just doing a website or SEO. For us, it should be also the impressive affection with our parallel vision and mission is to show it. It's like what I am doing for interior or exterior, exactly they are doing the same thing for website, and they are working and customize, because they do customizing, and this is very important because my needs are completely different. So
this is important, customized.
Very important.
Tailor-made.
Yeah, it's very customized, and this is why also we work together, because it's just there are many websites and ready, and just you can load your photos, but it's not my identity of my brand, because I am brand and I do branding, and they do branding
Ms.
too.
Suhal has good
It's
motto.
very important, and if you are also commercial design. It's also, they do the same thing for website. It's very important to matching with your brand. They do
Yes,
brand
it's
creation with your website. It's very important.
like your motto, be unique.
Yes.
Not unanimous. We are trying to also, as Turnkey, we have the same strategy. We are
Yeah.
providing unique service for $500. We do more than 50 events, and approximately we create $50,000 value after each B2B. None of our competitors provide this much value for such low budget. Mr. Mehmet, are you here? Mehmet Gökdemir.
Thank you.
I think Mr. Mehmet, if he's not left. Mr. Mehmet? For example, Mr. Mehmet, if you are here, please unmute yourself, speak up. Mr. Mehmet has massive experience in textile. He has been factory manager. He studied high textile engineering in Manchester. He ran many textile factories of big brands like Çalık Holding, Eroğlu, in Egypt, in Algeria. He's aware of the fact that Turkish manufacturers cannot compete anymore. So the factories are moving to cheap labor countries like Egypt. He is focused in now engineering. He is focused in recycling and project facilitation. But he needs a very good economic website, affordable website. He doesn't have maybe $10,000 to invest. But with a good customer bringing website, I think he can get a lot of consultancy business. Mr. Selçuk, my question, how you can help entrepreneurs like Mr. Mehmet? Can you do projects according to their budget? They give you a budget, target budget, let's say, starting from $1,000. Yeah, I know the corporate websites cost more. It can go up to $100,000. So can you work based on their budget, simple website, no AdWords or organic AdWords, simple social media? Please go ahead.
So thank you. It's a good question because everyone is searching for this kind of service. From starting from scratch with a minimum value, a minimum budget, and getting results and increasing the budget and expanding the Google Ads spend or social media spend. If you don't take any results, you don't invest. So it's good for building an MVP, minimum viable product web page, and just measure the results first with a minimum budget. But if you ask me to just build a website and don't spend on ads, don't spend on social media ads, I think it would be a chance because it's not 2000s, it's not 15 years ago. Everyone is spending high on Google ads, social media ads, and there are several kinds of funnels, and there are several kinds of social media channels from LinkedIn to TikTok and YouTube and many others. So you can't compete without spending on Google ads. So first of all, I can build a simple and effective and SEO proficient website first, and I will make a high quality content and start taking traffic from Google Ads and measuring them if they are getting high performance or not. Then I will decide what to do next. So from the beginning, starting with a limited budget, with a limited featured website is the most clever way to do start.
Yeah, Mr. Selçuk, you are flexible, I know, but what is the starting budget people needs? Modern website, but they are afraid of big budgets. It start as low as $1,000, or it's not your field. You don't do this kind of website because you are
Yes.
focused in corporations.
Yeah, starting from $1,000 or $2,000, a corporate website, and the higher limit is not defined, you know, but
Yes,
it
sky
is
is
a
the limit.
custom. Sky is the limit, but I haven't worked on any project more than $30,000 or $50,000, but they are e-commerce and complicated interactions websites, and maybe some other websites people are demanding to reach, as say as an example, sahibinden.com at the first step. It is imaginary. I don't
Yes.
take them serious, and when starting, it will be starting with a minimum budget, then increasing one by one and adding more services like tracking the traffic, tracking the keyword listing, and spending some on Google Ads, spending some on social media ads, also promoting on LinkedIn, promoting on YouTube, promoting on other channels as well as on Google Meta. So by multi-channel traffic acquisition, it will be more efficient, more high performance, and also you can watch the visitors' attention and visitors' behavior, and also visitors' engagement. The most important part is visitors' engagement. If you take a visitor from any channel, what they do?
So analyzing the results are very important.
Yes, if you don't analyze, you are ignoring the most important part. The analyzing and measuring and getting results and understanding what they mean is the most important part of the digital marketing, because if you don't measure the results, you are taking on chance. If you are taking by chance, you can be number one, but you can lose your position by a chance because you don't know which circumstances took you there. If you don't know, you can't stay long because many competitors are working on this field. So success is not a chance. If you are sure and if you are aware of what did you do and how did you come to the first place, you will stay there. But if you don't, it's a chance. So if you don't leave your work success for a chance, you have to measure, you have to just track the visitors, track the keywords, track the competitors, what they do, which content they are promoting, on which channels they are spending ads. You have to track all of them, and by this awareness, you prefer which channels do you invest or not.
Evet, Selçuk Bey çok yabancı da kalmadı. Teşekkür ediyorum.
Bundan sonra
Sizin,
Türkçe kanala geçebiliriz o zaman.
evet, sizin
Biliyoruz.
biraz dediğim gibi terzi kendi söküğünü dikemez hesabı. Bence
Ya size
sizin
fırsat kalmıyor. Ya
sizin
Raşit Bey, kendi sitemizi yapacağız, fırsatımız yok.
evet, dijital pazarlama gerçekten şu an çok revaçta bir konu ama bilen bilmeyen herkes giriyor. O kadar çok acente var ki bir de bunun eğitim sektörü var. Yani onlar da mesela YouTube'da çok sık reklam veriyorlar. İşte dijital pazarlamayı size öğreteceğiz. Akademiye katılın. E-ticaret öğreteceğiz. E-ihracat öğreteceğiz. Abdullah Çiftçi ile bir tanesi işbirliği yapmış. Ben dış politikayla ilgili bazen izliyorum Abdullah Bey'i.
Ben de
Şu kaydı
izliyorum.
durduralım.